Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engine Tutorial. Today we have this Victa PT 2-stroke. This is the first mower that I uploaded into my YouTube video, and I gave this one to my friend. And he came back with a problem with the engine and it won't start. So we'll see what's the problem and we'll start the engine. Okay, it won't start. Okay, we'll try to check and replace the first, as we need to see if the main jet is blocked. So we'll replace that one first. So the next thing we're going to do is to replace the main jet with a new one. Okay, let's try to start the engine. Okay, still won't start. Okay, we have to check for spark. So definitely there's a spark, so it's good. So there's a spark. So we'll check if the fuel is flowing, it's going. We'll take this fuel line first. We'll see if we have fuel coming. Oh, definitely there's a fuel. Okay, so we'll check. Let's remove the primer pump. Okay. So the needle there, it's stuck on the top. It's stuck on the seat. It doesn't drop. And also it's very dry. So with this, sometimes with this type of primer cap, some of the primer cap, this needle will stick, but the good thing is it won't leak. So what we're going to do now is we have to fit this one with the metering lever in to make sure that the needle will drop when the float drops. So we have the needle. So we place this metering lever. So it's really guaranteed that when the float drops, it pulls the needle from the seat. So at the same time also, this needle will surely seal the valve and stop leaking fuel through the primer valve here. So we'll try this one. Okay. So we will allow a few seconds or minute to fill up the chamber before we prime. So okay, let's prime this one 10 times. So when we start the engine, we cannot expect that the engine will start straight away, because it needs to fill up the crankcase first before it supply the fuel to the combustion engine. So possibly we need to do a few cranks. Prime. Yeah, it seems like starting, isn't it? Quite good, right? Well, that's very good. So, well, that's the beauty. Well, that's the beauty with this metering lever that I developed a prototype and now manufacture and now available on our eBay and our VARIETECH store, and it's not that expensive, and which is a good thing. So this helps the needle to bring the needle down, so you can guarantee that the needle won't stick over time, especially when you leave the mower on the shed for a long time. And so when you use that mower again after a couple of months, 6 months, so you have the peace of mind that when you start the mower, it will start every time you need it. So obviously the deterioration of some parts inside on diaphragms and other parts, obviously that also needs to be maintained and replaced after a couple of years. But this one is a really good solution for this sticky needle, and also the needle. You need the needle for a guarantee that it won't leak fuel from above. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I hope you find this tutorial useful and informative. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'm happy to answer any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.